In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a KPI dashboard in Monday.com. Building an effective KPI dashboard in Monday.com is a fantastic way to visualize your key performance indicators, track progress, and make truly data-driven decisions. It allows you to consolidate crucial information from various boards into one centralized, easy-to-understand view. Let's walk through the process step by step to get your dashboard up and running efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to the left-hand panel in your Monday.com workspace. Look for the plus sign icon. It's usually quite prominent and indicates the ability to add new elements or items within your workspace. Go ahead and click on this plus sign. This action opens up a menu where you can choose what new item you'd like to create, such as a new board, a new work doc, or, in our case, a dashboard. Once that menu appears, you'll see several options. For our purpose, we need to create a new dashboard, so simply click on the Dashboard option. After clicking, the system will prompt you to give your new dashboard a name. This is an important step, as a clear and descriptive name will help you and your team quickly identify its purpose later on. For instance, you might name it Marketing Team KPIs or Q3 Sales Performance Overview. Take a moment to choose a name that accurately reflects the data and goals it will display. After you've entered your chosen name, you'll see a button labeled Create Dashboard. Go ahead and click this to finalize the creation of your new blank dashboard. This will open up your brand new dashboard canvas, ready for you to populate with your key metrics and visualizations. Now that your dashboard is created, the next crucial step is to connect it to the relevant data sources. On your new dashboard, you'll see an option to Connect Boards. This is where you link your dashboard to the specific Monday.com boards that contain the data you want to display. For example, if you want to track sales KPIs, you'd connect your sales pipeline board. If it's project progress, you'd connect your project management boards. Carefully select all the boards that feed into your desired KPIs to ensure all the necessary information is available for your widgets. With your boards successfully connected, it's time to start adding widgets to visualize your data. Look for the Add Widget button, which is typically found at the top of your dashboard. Clicking this will open up a library of different visualization tools you can use. Widgets are the building blocks of your dashboard, each designed to display a specific type of information in a clear and actionable way. From the list of available widgets, locate and click on the Numbers widget. This is an excellent starting point for any KPI dashboard because it allows you to display specific numerical values, such as total sales, conversion rates, or completion percentages. The Numbers widget is highly customizable, letting you choose which column from your connected boards you want to display, how to summarize that data, for example, as a sum, average, or count, and even set conditional formatting to highlight specific thresholds. It's a fundamental widget for presenting those critical key performance indicator figures clearly and concisely.